So, hi dear Taurus, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a general love reading for all the Taurus Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 13th till the 19th of January. Keep in mind this is general, it might or might not resonate. The rules can be reversed also. If it is not resonating, not your story. If you want to be a reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing the course. Link is in description. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono, you can definitely start by my masterclass. Again, link is in description box. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can book your slots. The links are given in the description box. If you have any queries, you can mail us on the modernsanyasini@gmail.com. The previous email is not working. Please don't mail on that. So let's start. Taurus, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see. We have the Page of Pentacles. Someone around you, a new person, a new fresh energy is around you who feels like having a friendship kind of a deal with you or starting a connection with you. Just give me a second. So someone new or newish is around you who feels like having a friendship kind of a deal with you, starting a chapter. Let's clarify the Page of Pentacles. We have the Six of Cups, Ace of Cups, and the Eight of Swords. Oh God. This is someone that you already had a connection with at some point of time, or when you're going to meet this person, you're going to feel instant connection, instant past life connection kind of a deal, where you're going to feel like you know this person from quite a long time. And this is someone who feels like opening up to you. At the same time, they are not able to understand how is the question here from this person's side. So this is someone around you who is new or newish kind of energy. For some of you, it might be a past person coming back towards you. But for most of you, it's a new person with whom you are going to feel very instant connection, very strong bond, soulmate kind of a deal. And yeah, this is someone who can't stop thinking about having something good with you, but they don't know how, right? That is the question here. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Taurus? Hierophant. You are in your own essence right now. You might be working on your spiritual growth and spiritual aspects of your life, and or something that is going to last for you. Maybe financial stability or something. Let's clarify the Hierophant. We have the Eight of Cups, the Three of Wands, the Devil. Okay, you feel like walking away from everything and everyone who is giving you any kind of toxicity or negativity, or who put you in some kind of third party kind of a situations in the past. So you are very clear about what you want in your love life. So you are in this energy of walking away from everything and everyone that's not aligning with your values and energies anymore. And you're just working on yourself right now at this present moment, Taurus. This is what you're feeling. And regarding a past person, you feel like they are not worthy of your time and energy, so you're just in this energy of moving on. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Nine of Swords. Their intention is to come out of this anxiety, come out of their head, and do something about the situation in the real world, like 3D world. They are continuously living in some kind of anxiety and they can't stop thinking about you, but very anxious, very stressed out. Let's clarify the Nine of Swords here. Ten of Cups, Nine of Wands, Ace of Wands. This is somebody who definitely wants to have a beautiful relationship with you. They want you to let your guards down, and if they were the one who were not able to like open up to you properly, now they want to open up to you. Now this whole story is telling me, if this is a new person, this is somebody who is coming out of a very bad relationship. They want to open up to you and they want to have a beautiful relationship with you. If this is somebody from your past who is trying to come back, they definitely want you back in their life, but they don't know how to do that, so they're trying to figure out. They want to come out of their head and do something about it. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Taurus? Eight of Cups. You just want to walk away. You just want to walk away. You just want to move on. You just want to detach from the situation and not look back. Because this might be somebody who is giving you on and off, in and out kind of energies, and you're not liking it because you know what you want. and that is kind of pushing you to this limit of just get out of my life, right? My energies, and you're moving on. Very strong energies. Yeah, you are in your healing era, you are in growing up era, and you are not allowing people or situations or things from the past to come back and haunt you again whatsoever. May, even if it is a past person, or if even if it is a new person with past kind of energies. So you are in this era of moving on and healing yourself properly, because you know what you want and what you deserve. So you are in this energy of, if I'm not getting what I deserve, I'm not into this game anymore. I'm not playing this game anymore. That kind of energy. Let's see what's coming towards you till the 19th of January. Three of Cups, I do see some kind of happiness and celebrations and multiple people, multiple energies around you, and you're quite happy about it. Let's clarify the Three of Cups here. We have the Three of Swords and the Chariot and the Knight of Swords. As you're moving on from something that was not working out in your energies, that was not working out for you, somebody is going to enter in your life with full speed, with this kind of energy of, hey, I do see multiple options, multiple people, multiple energies coming towards you, at least two. The moment you are going to decide that you're not going to allow someone specific or some kind of specific kind of energies in your life anymore, I do see the energies, the situations, the people that are good for you entering in your life. Multiple people, multiple energies. You might, so basically you are going to have options in love, and you are going to be in this energy of, okay, let's choose. So choice in love. What you're gonna do about it, completely up to you. Guidance for you: heal yourself properly and honestly with all of your heart and soul before making any kind of life-changing decisions, Taurus. Because you might be trapped in the idea of, okay, because I have gone through so much, now it's time for me to connect with the right person, right energy. But right person, right energy is going to be right only when you are going to be completely healed, and completely in this energy of, okay, now I'm ready. You might be physically ready, or ready with according to the world around you, but inside of you, you have to ask yourself deep rooted questions regarding your healing, regarding what you deserve and what you want, and then act accordingly. You don't need my lecture about this because you're doing it anyway, but just a gentle reminder. Yeah. So thank you so much for tuning in, Taurus. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you. Namaste.